Alright, so there's my neighbor's Trane XL16i heat pump. Just got starting up. I got a video of this thing running in 2019 and a defrost of it in, I believe it was February of 2021 when we had that winter storm come through. It's from 2006 and it's a 4-ton XL16i, so it's a 16 series unit. It's got a GE motor, which I believe is an ECM, and a Alliance scroll compressor in that red sound blanket down there. The line is getting cold and a bit sweaty. Disconnect is pretty low mounted, as you can see, and the lines go up this little encasement here. So, guess that'll be about it.